something. Oh, for Wisconsin.
Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of West Bellevue to near Argyle, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Monarchy, Baraboo, Monroe, Verona, Portage, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Mount Horrid, Windsor, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, and DeForest. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church, Wisconsin State Capitol, Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilbourne Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south-central Wisconsin. This is Noah's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.